In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert videos into a WPS Office presentation. This is a useful feature when you want to make your slides more engaging, more visual, and easier to understand. Adding videos can help explain ideas clearly, support your message, and keep your audience focused, especially when presenting from a mobile device. To get started, open the WPS Office mobile app on your phone. Once the app is open, tap the option to create a new file. From there, choose the presentation option, which may also appear as PPT or PowerPoint. You will see different templates available, but for this demonstration, a blank presentation is used so everything starts from scratch and is easier to follow. After the blank presentation opens, you can begin adding content to your slide. To insert a video, look at the icons located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap that icon to reveal more tools. From the menu that appears, select the Insert option. This section allows you to add different types of content into your slide. Once you are inside the Insert menu, tap the Video option. This will open your media selection, where you can choose the video you want to include in your presentation. Browse through your files and tap the video you want to use. After selecting it, confirm your choice by tapping the Done option. The video will then be placed directly onto the slide. You can resize or reposition the video on the slide to fit your layout. This helps ensure that the video looks clean and properly aligned with the rest of your content. To preview the video, simply tap on it and press play. This allows you to check if the video plays correctly and appears the way you want during the presentation. If needed, you can adjust the slide or move to another slide and repeat the same process to add more videos. Take a moment to preview your presentation to make sure everything flows smoothly and the videos play as expected. That is how you can easily insert videos into a WPS Office presentation using your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.